Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of streaky, clouded mirrors that ruin your ride's shine? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of car glass cleaning to reveal the best car glass cleaner on the market that not only makes your windows sparkle but also enhances your driving experience. Whether you're prepping for a road trip or just want that shiny finish, stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to crystal clear glass. Plus, we've got an exclusive offer just for you. Hit that subscribe button, and let's get started on turning your car into a dazzling masterpiece. Number 5. 3D SiO2 Ceramic Glass Cleaner, GLW Series, the best car glass cleaner for your ride. This revolutionary optical-grade cleaner offers unparalleled clarity, leaving your windows and mirrors contaminant-free. Thanks to its advanced silicon dioxide, SiO2, polymer technology, it creates a hydrophobic barrier that repels water, rain, and fog, ensuring you maintain crystal-clear vision in any weather condition. With its ultra-slick surface, it not only protects against dirt, dust, and harmful UV rays but also delivers a streak-free finish that enhances visibility for a safer drive. The GLW series stands out as a game-changer in car detailing, combining convenience with cutting-edge performance. Give your vehicle the shine it deserves and embrace the transformative lifestyle that 3D embodies. With just 16 ounces of this powerful ceramic formula, you'll experience a new level of clarity and protection, making it the perfect addition to your DIY car care routine. Number 4. Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner is the ultimate solution for achieving crystal clear visibility in your vehicle. Specifically designed as the best car glass cleaner, this pro-strength formula effortlessly tackles dirt, grime, and fingerprints, restoring your windows to their pristine condition. What's impressive is its gentle yet effective nature, making it safe to use on window tints without fear of damage. With Meguiar's, quick cleaning is no longer a chore. The specially formulated cleaner spreads easily and wipes off in a breeze, ensuring a streak-free shine every time. Say goodbye to hazy windows. This auto glass cleaner provides a superior cleaning ability that will impress even the most discerning car enthusiasts. For anyone looking to elevate their auto care routine, Meguiar's Perfect Clarity Glass Cleaner is not just a tool, it's a game-changer for achieving perfect clarity and maintaining a sleek appearance on your car's glass surfaces. Get ready to experience the world through crystal-clear windows. Number 3. Rain-X 630177 SRP Cerami-X Glass Cleaner Plus Water Repellent. This innovative product features an improved haze-free formula that guarantees enhanced streak-free clarity, ensuring your windshield shines like new. The easy-to-use spray and wipe method makes it convenient for anyone to achieve a crystal-clear view, no matter the weather conditions. What sets this cleaner apart is its advanced Hydrophobic technology, offering top-of-the-line water beading that maintains optimal driving visibility. It's tough on grime yet gentle on your glass, providing remarkable protection against environmental elements and chemical contaminants. With up to 6 weeks of long-lasting water repellency from just one application, you'll enjoy ample visibility and extreme durability that truly lasts. Say goodbye to hazy glass and hello to clarity with Rain-X Cerami-X, your go-to solution for a dazzling driving experience. Number 2. Invisible Glass 92164. This 22-ounce premium glass cleaner is the ultimate solution for achieving a streak-free shine on all your glass surfaces, from windshields to mirrors. With its unique clear dry formula, this cleaner leaves absolutely zero residue, so you can enjoy crystal clear visibility without the aftermath of streaks or soap residue. What makes it stand out is its ammonia-free composition, making it safe for both tinted and non-tinted glass. Simply spray and watch as it effortlessly removes dirt, grease, pet slobber, fingerprints, and even stubborn sap from your car or home windows. The user-friendly trigger spray bottle ensures that you can extract every last drop, making the cleaning process efficient and mess-free. Proudly made in the USA, the Invisible Glass Cleaner promises not only outstanding quality but also reliability. If you're seeking an exceptional glass cleaner that delivers results, this is the product for you. Number 1. Chemical Guys CLD 30016 Streakless Window and Glass Cleaner. This isn't just your average window cleaner, it's your solution to getting perfectly clean surfaces without the hassle. It's gentle, Ammonia-free formula ensures it's safe for tinted windows, while effectively removing dirt, dust, fingerprints, and grease without leaving streaks or residue. With anti-static agents, your surfaces will resist clinging dust after cleaning, leaving you looking truly spotless. Perfect for your car, truck, SUV, and even around your home or office, Chemical Guy's streakless window cleaner delivers professional quality results. Plus, it doesn't contain harsh chemicals, so you can clean with confidence knowing it's safe for your surfaces. Say goodbye to dirty, dingy windows and hello to shine. This cleaner is rightly crowned the best car window cleaner on the market. In conclusion, maintaining clean car windows is essential for safety and visibility. The right glass cleaner can make all the difference, enhancing your driving experience. Remember to choose a product that suits your needs and follow the tips we've shared for the best results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite car cleaning tips. Feel free to share this video with fellow car enthusiasts.